welcome to this month's Stage 100 Contractor Tip of the Month. I thought today's conversation would be about progress billing. I have a lot of phone calls about people that, found an error on progress bill or the contractor didn't like it, they need to void something. And once it's in a posted status, they have a bad tendency to go void that invoice in 3.2 rather than voiding it from here, the 3.7 screen. So your tip is, if you're doing a progress bill, you've posted it and it's wrong and it needs to be redone, you come here, you do edit, void application here, okay? You never void it in the 3.2 screen because that will mess up your progress bill. They don't talk to each other, so your progress bill would never be updated if you did that, okay? One thing you might want to consider is here is logging in as with admin rights, coming to options, where you allow editing. You can also have the option of allow direct void of invoice. If you don't check this off, then it's pretty safe it's not going to let you void that invoice. So somebody that doesn't know they're not supposed to be voiding it in the 3.2 screen, this will make sure it doesn't happen because it's very important. That definitely messes with your progress billing cycles.